How to embrace Scandinavian style in your home. 10 essential tips. Scandinavian design is renowned for its simplicity, functionality, and understated elegance. Originating from the Nordic countries, this style prioritizes clean lines, minimalism, and a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Here are 10 tips to help you infuse your home with Scandinavian charm. 1. Neutral color palette. Start with a neutral color palette of whites, grays, and beiges to create a calm and serene environment that reflects natural light. 2. Maximize natural light. Opt for large, unobstructed windows and use light, airy curtains to enhance the brightness and openness of your space. 3. Functional furniture. Select furniture that is both beautiful and functional, with clean lines and a purpose, like multi-functional pieces to keep the space clutter-free. 4. Cozy textiles. Incorporate wool blankets, sheepskin rugs, and knitted throws to add warmth and texture, creating a cozy atmosphere. 5. Simplicity and minimalism. Adopt a less is more approach, keeping spaces uncluttered and purposeful with only essential items on display. 6. Natural materials. Use natural materials like wood, leather, and stone to create a warm, organic feel, staying true to the eco-conscious ethos of Scandinavian design. 7. Greenery and nature. Introduce plants and botanical elements to add life and color, opting for low-maintenance varieties like succulents or ferns. 8. Hygge elements. Create cozy and content spaces with soft lighting, candles, and comfortable seating areas that invite relaxation and unwinding. 9. Minimalist art and decor. Choose art and decor that complement the minimalist aesthetic, such as black and white photography, abstract prints, and simple sculptures. 10. Functional layout. Ensure your home's layout is practical and flows well, arranging furniture to promote social interaction and relaxation. By incorporating these 10 tips, you can transform your home into a Scandinavian-inspired sanctuary. Embrace simplicity, celebrate natural elements, and enjoy the serene and inviting atmosphere of your beautifully styled space.